Hello everyone, how to do it. So I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add location on Instagram posts. Like when you uh, post anything, then you can add your location, current location, or any location you want. So first of all, you need to tap here the bottom part. You can see the middle one plus icon, then simply tap on the post, then choose any post you want, and after that simply tap on the next button right top corner of your screen. So you can see, then simply tap on the next right bottom corner. So you can see here couple of options. So simply tap here add location. So you can see here add location. Now you can turn on your location service, then exact location it will cast, or if you want to give any location, then you can United States. So you can see it's United States added. So actually this way you can add location on Instagram post.